Hi there everyone, welcome back to Waste Garage. Thanks for tuning in once again. Just another little quick update. Just thought I'd go along and show you everything. Once again, now I've gone along and I've, stupid phone, bolted it in. I've still got a few holes that I've got to fix up and that, and then down along there and around the bottom and that sort of stuff. Pay no attention to the runs in the paint. It's just to stop it from getting more surface rust and that on it. I have, where have I done with it? Come back over here for a minute. I have this little panel gauge thing that I've made up. I'm going to put it on some thicker cardboard, but just to get the gist is there's not that great deal. Well, there is if you can't hold it there, but once you've got it there, it is quite close now. I am having to build this area here in, and that's so. Everyone would probably say just fill it with bog. I was going to do it with lead, but see, I've got to put I'm going to put a lip in, a curved lip that comes down, follows down and around like that, and then comes down in. Now I've got to put that lip in tomorrow and fill this little section hole in, and hopefully it will be okay. But basically what I'm doing is, you can probably see the imperfections in the paint. Yeah, that's because I've spot welded and filled it in, and that as much as I can. Still got more to do. I may get there and cut it out yet, I'm not sure. I'll see how it looks once I've finished doing all the spot welds to fill it, and that, because I didn't want to put body filler in there to try and raise it up. That's the reason why it's rusted the way it has rusted, because of the body filler. Yeah, there is a bit of a, you can see a bit of a seam there, but really what body filler was meant to be for was just to put a skim coat over it, and that's what I'll do with this. I'll put a small skim coat over it and that, and then sand it and that with the skim coat. It's basically designed to hold, really for small imperfections, not to build a whole car out of, really. And that, yeah, a lot of old school show cars were Bondo, but then a lot of them also, depending on what was done with them, had lead. That's why a lot of old cars are called lead sleds, especially the old Mercuries and things like that, because they used to cut them, chop them, channel them, all that sort of stuff, and they would fill up all the seams and that with lead, because they'd get there and basically they'd do a seam that overlaps like so, and then I'd have a little bit of a gap, and I'd run a bead of lead down along that. So, so yeah. So that's it for today. It's 6 o'clock. I don't normally work this late into the night, and that, but I thought I'd get as much as this done as possible. So it's almost done. Get in, and I'll do the back of this tomorrow and the front bit here tomorrow, and I'll finish off the fixing those few little holes up. So yeah. Alright then everyone, once again thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing to those who already have, and for everyone that has been viewing my videos, thanks heaps, keep it up. Please, if you can, share, give us a thumbs up if you like it, and if you're new to watching my videos, then please subscribe. If you have any questions or queries, or you want to send me a sticker or help me out in any way, just feel free to email me or leave a comment below. And as you can see, I broke my new helmet, so now I'm going to have to buy a new one. So it's small things like that that becomes to be a pain in the bum. So, alright then, thanks heaps for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, and yeah, till next time, stay safe and cheerio for now.